In this video, we'll see how we can connect the PD search element with our list. I'll include a special element created by the Polymer team named iron A11Y keys. With this element, we can set a target, and once one of the keys set is hit, a method will be triggered. In our case, we'll target the search form div, and once the enter key is triggered, while we are focused in this div, the search action method is triggered. Now, in the search action method, we'll run the fire method. If you visit the following path, you can find some helper functions by Polymer. The fire function fires a custom element. The first property is a string for us to declare the event name. In the second property, we can add any custom values we want to pass over through our event. And the third property are some other special properties, such as bubbling and other special parameters you can preview here. Going back to our code, we can see that the search action will fire a custom element with the name of search and as a value, the value of the search input tag. Also, we'll fire a search closed custom element once the search box is closed. To handle these events, we'll have to add two event listeners in our staff list page. These handlers will be attached to the search element. In the fire element, the this section indicates the whole element, so the handler will be attached to the PD search element as well. So, let me return to the event handler. In the callback function, the event variable is passed that has many interesting properties. The detail property is the custom variable passed from our fire events, which in our case is the search value. We'll run the search profiles method passing this value. In the search closed event, we'll just run the search profiles method to refresh our list. Lastly, I'll expand the search profiles method to handle a search parameter. I'll add the parameter in my inputs. If the search parameter is not null, we'll add the parameter in our request for our username. If it is null, we'll reset the parameters. Time to see if everything's okay. I'll refresh the page and click on the search button. Let us add Bill and click enter. You can see the filtered list. If I add Joy and click enter, the members with username Joy appear. Once we click on the X button, the search form closes and our list refreshes with no parameters as expected.